Hi kids! Today we learn about cows. Cows have 4 stomachs which help them digest their food slowly and thoroughly. Baby cows are called calves and they can stand up and walk just a few hours after they're born. Cows chew their food twice. First they swallow it, then bring it back up to chew it again. Cows love to be with their herd and they form close friendships with other cows. Cows moo to communicate, and each cow has its own special moo voice. What will you learn next?